I have $4,400 for a build with 5090. How did you come up with 7,000? Sure, I feel like my sole purpose in life is to answer questions like this. Just don't blame me after I destroy your plan. First off, you thought you could actually get the 5090 at the official price? Oh, sweet summer child. Firing up Google. 4090 official price. 1600, right? Now check this out. These top tier luxury GPUs are produced in laughably low quantities. Why? Because no one can actually afford them. At least Nvidia thinks so. But what they don't know is that there are so many streamers, TikTokers, drop shippers all around the globe who's making shitload of money. And everyone ends up fighting for each top tier GPU. 4090, 3090. It's been going on forever, bro. So the price always ends up being 70 to 100% higher than Nvidia's Fantasyland number. And the real world prices? Bro, 2600 for this cheap ass top version and 3400 for this MSI variant. That's more than my first car, bro. If they say it'll be between 18 and 1900, in reality it'll hit 45 minimum, especially at the launch. And what's your budget again? 4,400 VAT included? Bro, that's a 5080 build top. You still need a processor, motherboard, RAM, SSD, AIO, and a big shiny case to make it all look beautiful. Of course, I'd wish it was 1800, but bro, if you're broke like me and everybody else and only have $4,400 for a gaming PC build, I think 5070 Ti is all we need, bro.